as a growth opportunity, I feel that doctors, when they go into administration, they are a great combination. Having a degree in the medical field with an administrative degree is an excellent combination. Similarly, if you have a degree in paramedical or medical technical staff with a degree in administration, would again be a good asset for any institution because they will understand the clinician, they will understand the equipment, they will understand the patient care, and results will improve. Patient care will improve. So I feel that, and I have also seen several examples where a very good paramedical staff, when they get into an administrative, if even if they get into a basic administrative degree, they get directly promoted to these admin level jobs because they can understand the needs of the working staff better. They connect with us better. If I go and say to an administrator who is a pure MBA, मुझे ये इक्विपमेंट की जरूरत है, उनका पहला क्वेश्चन होता है ROI, रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट क्या है. If I ask the same question to a paramedical person who has the admin degree or a doctor, their first question is patient care में कितना improvement होगा. The whole perspective changes there. So as a physician clinician, I would want a person sitting across the table to understand my and patient needs more than the ROI. So paramedical staff के पास एक बहुत ही अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी खुल जाती है अगर वो ऐसा एम्बिशन रखते हैं, तो वो पाथ भी ले सकते हैं और उसी पाथ में ग्रो हो सकते हैं. सो आई थिंक एक्सीलेंट वे टू ग्रो इन लाइफ इज to take up such kind of paramedical courses, and then if you have the aptitude for it, please go ahead and take up some administrative job. Every hospital at every floor will need an administrative person. No hospital can run without that person.